Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11, 10 desktop is not refreshing automatically. First method is open File Explorer, click 3 dots, click Options. Check all options under Privacy, click Clear, click Restore Defaults. Second method is right-click Taskbar, click Task Manager. Restart Windows Explorer. Third method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type sfc/scano. Type dism/online/cleanup-image/restore health. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.